Good afternoon, YouTube. My name is Clarence, and today's video is about the use of auto mode on your four-wheel drive vehicle. And we're going to explain the purpose of it and how it's properly used, and things that goes good when you use it and things that could go wrong if you use it improperly. Okay, I'm back. In my particular vehicle, here are the controls. This is the auto, this is two-wheel drive, hills, and then here's four-wheel drive. Basically, we're going to talk about auto. Either your vehicle is going to be in two-wheel drive, which is the rear wheels pulling, or four-wheel drive, which is all four wheels pulling. But if you're in the auto mode, the auto mode is a as-needed control. So if you put it on auto mode, the primary pulling power will be to the rear wheel unless the system detects slippage or the back wheel spinning, and then it will automatically engage the front wheel. And that's done through a process that's called the electronic clutch that's built into the transfer case of all four-wheel drive. Now keep in mind, and this is really important, when in auto mode, you can shift it to auto mode while the vehicle is moving at lower speeds or moderate speeds, but never shift into four-wheel drive, which is here, at a high rate of speed, because it could damage your transfer case and or your transmission. Now, if the system detects conditions that require four-wheel drive and you have it in auto mode, it would automatically shift all wheels into a pulling mode, and that's given the matching the rear wheels, the front wheel matching the rear wheels as far as pulling power goes. Auto four-wheel drive modes, auto four-wheel drive modes are safe for use on all counter terrain if you want to use this, to include dry pavement, dirt roads, and rain, mud, or snow. If the roads are dry, you might want to consider not leaving it in auto mode and just use your two wheel, because what happens is if you leave it in auto mode, it puts additional wear, mechanical wear on your on your transfer. Also, it decreases your fuel miles. So if it was me, I would, unless I need auto mode, all four wheels, I would leave it in two-wheel drive, which is here. Okay. Let's see. Other thing is that was pretty much it. Auto mode is also used to where it really won't hurt your vehicle. You can leave it in auto mode, but if you don't need it, don't put it in that mode. Leave it in here. Leave it in two-wheel drive. And remember, don't ever shift it into four-wheel drive at a high rate of speed, because it'll damage your transfer case or your transmission. Other than that, that's pretty much it. And it pretty much works for different models, all models of vehicles, Chevy, Ford, all of them. The principle is pretty much the same. Okay, other than that, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. And that way you'll get a chance to see the next video. The Fix It Yourself channel, I call it that because most of the stuff that's the repairs is stuff that you can fix yourself. So do yourself a favor, fix it yourself. And I'm Clarence. Thanks again for viewing. If you don't need auto mode, leave it in two-wheel drive. Okay. If you're doing a lot of slipping, or if it's rainy outside and wet and you've got rear-wheel drive and you want to put it in auto, just hit the button, put it in auto mode. You can do it while the vehicle is still moving. Just don't go to four-wheel drive. Thanks. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me a thumbs down if you don't. I'll try to make the adjustments. And I'm Clarence. Peace.